In this video, we're going to discover how to see GT Passport's driving routes in Google Maps. Firstly, on a laptop or desktop computer, go to gtpassport.com and scroll down to see the routes. Pick the one you'd like to do first. We'll try the Midlands Loop in this example. You can get an overview from this page, but we want to download the route. Click on the button marked GPX file, and it will download to your computer. You can also specify a folder by right-clicking on the link and choosing Download Linked File As. Select your preferred folder and download the file. Now go to the folder where you downloaded the file. Depending on your system, it may have downloaded as a zipped file, ending .zip. You'll need to unzip it by double-clicking it as if to open it. This should create a new file that ends .gpx. You'll need that in a moment. But for now, open a web browser and open Google Maps. This is the UK version of the site. Sign in to your Google account. If you don't have one, it's free to sign up and it doesn't take long, but you'll need it to access your maps. Now click on the menu button, typically here in the top left, and look for Your Places. Click on the Maps tab. On this screen, you're looking for Create Map down at the bottom. This opens a new window where you can import a file. Click Import and use the selection button to find and upload your GPX file to Google Maps. And here it is. It looks a little messy with these different lines, so let's tidy it up. Click on the black line to select it, and tap the trash can icon to get rid of it. You can also delete the start and end markers if you want. It won't affect the route. Now, rename the map to something meaningful. Let's call it Road Trip. And save. You can open a preview here if you like. But now that it's all saved, we can close this new window and return to the Your Places menu and refresh the page. And there it is, saved in your Google Maps account. You can use it to plan your trip, or you can even open it on your phone. But this can still trip some people up, so let's look at how that works. If you have the Google Maps app on your phone, open it and make sure you're logged in with the same account as before. Now look for the Save tab at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. Now this is where users often get stuck. Swipe the top menu to the left to reveal the Maps tab. Your saved maps should be in here. Pick a map and you'll be able to see where you are in relation to the route. A similar process should work for other mapping software.